So, Mr. Krish, when we look at the entire world, obviously there will be a requirement of portfolio. There will be interviews, and you have to understand that filmmaking universities want to understand your perspective. That when you're saying properly not commercial films, we understand that you want to make films with messages. You want to impact the society, the culture, tradition of the world. So you have to first of all understand various problems of the society. You have to stand as an individual who wants to raise a voice against the problems. That is the first character that the university would like to see in you. Okay? So your work with the society is of equitable importance here. That is a consistent thing that you have to do. Okay. Second, your interest in films has to be vocally shown to the universities, that how strongly interested you are. So if you can start criticizing or analyzing films, that would be a great piece of work, but that has to be written.
I do both of them, sir.
Yeah. Critically examining films. That means
I
you
have had and all.
yeah, so that means you get to watch a lot of films actually. Okay, if that makes you happy anyways. So you watch films, you analyze them in terms of direction, in terms of screenwriting, in terms of story, all the prospects that you would like to analyze it from. Okay, give it a 3D view, which most other writers don't. They give a 2D or a 1D view. I want a 3D view coming from your end. Okay. So for this, you'll have to read about a lot of people who have written reviews earlier. How do they got trained? What are the prospects that they look at when they look at film? You need to be educated regarding that. Okay. So who's your favorite director as of now?
These two, Andrei Tarkovsky and Christopher Nolan, of course.
Okay, great. Any Indian filmmakers that attracted your
I have to watch works of Satyajit Ray and Anurag Kashyap both.
do watch Shyam Benegal also. Recommend.
Shyam Benegal. Okay.
Satyajit Ray, if you want to watch, what you do is start with a film called Pother Pacha.
Yeah, the Apu trilogy, right?
Yes, Apu trilogy.
I have that Apu trilogy, The Hero, and a couple more.
Right. So you can obviously discuss that film with people like us. Somehow,
Okay.
I'm an ardent follower of Satyajit Ray. So we will
Okay.
strike a match there. And art films in India is a strong interest for me as well. So probably I'll be able to help you a little more there. Shyam Benegal, why I'm asking you to follow, because he somehow relates to the context that I am telling you to relate to. Problems in the society, retaliation of the poor, those kind of areas. Okay, so that is something that I want you to work upon. But you have to understand two different perspectives. एक तरफ फिल्म है, दूसरी तरफ सोसाइटी. अगर दोनों को कनेक्ट नहीं कर पाओगे तो आप कंप्लीट फिल्म मेकर नहीं हो. तो ये एक थियोरेटिकल एस्पेक्ट है. सो एक एस्पेक्ट तो आपका सोसाइटी का वर्क हो गया, क्योंकि जब आप सोसाइटी के लिए काम करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आएगा कि क्या प्रॉब्लम्स है और किस तरह से उसको दिखाना चाहिए. एंड वी हैव टू डू इट अ लिटिल डिप्लोमेटिकली. ठीक है, नॉट हिटिंग एनीबडी पॉलिटिकली, ओके, बट हिंटिंग एट थिंग्स. अदरवाइज क्या है ना, अभी कंट्री थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट है. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. गवर्नमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग एल्स इज नॉट वेरी अप्रिशिएटिव ऑफ तो वो थोड़ा सा देख के हमको करना है. दूसरा, वर्ल्ड फोरम पे जो सिनेमा है, राइट फ्रॉम 1900 स्टिल टुडे, ओके, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड द साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड दैट, हाउ इट हैज चेंज्ड, how has the second line of films taken a back seat, okay, which used to be the first line. In fact, that was true form of art, but now the commercial films are ruling. So how has that happened over a period of time? That we have to understand, and probably we have to suggest a few solutions to it. Okay, so research, that's the third area. A research paper against any atrocity or any problem in the film industry, okay, any aspect of the film society, will be a wonderful thing to do. So portfolio, social work, and research. Last but not the least, we'll have to match our culture with the Western students. We'll have to see that, how we can compete with them. So the only aspect that they make us, fall apart a little bit is the aspect that they do a lot of jobs while doing their school, which we do not do, right? So if you can look towards doing some internships, which are virtual internships, but are in the area of filmmaking, video editing, these kind of areas, which is widely available these days, that will be a great job. Ma'am, थोड़ा सा आप भी help कर सकते हैं as a professional.
Yes. Yes, actually, I recommended him because, we are having our own brand at the social media. So he did help his father, like he helps in the videos and all, and he's good at it. In fact, when he just started his school, so in their holiday homework, they were asked to make a media, a video on in business management subject. There was some topic given to them, and his video was the best. I mean, sir was like surprised to see he got 10 out of 10 in the class, and he said, "तुमने ये बनाया कैसे?" but that was his words that motivated me कि नहीं, I need to focus this guy कि इसको सही direction मिलना चाहिए, because for us, हम लोग तो garment industry से हैं, बहुत different है हमारी line. So, but yes, we are very dynamic and we're ready to for any adventure in life, and I really want he should get the right direction, and for that we are all in as a parent. We are in with him.
So, my only suggestion, this is one thing that I'll prescribe for you as a family. What you do is, क्रिश का कोई बैंक अकाउंट होगा?
हाँ है।
तो अब आप हर महीने क्रिश को एक छोटा सा स्टाइपेंड अमाउंट ट्रांसफर करेंगे, और आप हर महीने क्रिश को अपने लिए कोई ना कोई वीडियो शूट करवाएंगे, कुछ ना कुछ काम आप उसको देंगे, और बहुत छोटा सा 1000, 2000, 3000, whatever you deem fit, ठीक है, उतना ही अमाउंट उसको ट्रांसफर करेंगे. This has to happen for a period of at least 14-15 months now. Rest all of the work I'll handle. So I here have a team of people. So I have, luckily, Krish, the one who will be handling your entire application portfolio. That guy is a great movie buff. Okay, so just like me, he also shares equitable passion in terms of films, but his taste is widely different. Okay, so that's how it is. So you'll have the best of both worlds with us dealing with you, and there'll be a third mentor for you who will be telling you about the technologies involved today in filmmaking and what are the stuff that you need to learn. So you will have to learn certain softwares in this duration. So there is a lot of work. Now I also need to understand that what kind of academic pressure you have. So in terms of subjects, HL subjects, what are the subjects that you have?
Economics, business management, and English.
Okay. And what are the SL subjects that you have?
Maths, AI, German, and in ESS, environmental studies.
Okay. Maths, right. German, AI,
and ESS.
Wow, that's a great combination, man. That's a great combination. How difficult is this to handle?
Not that much. I mean, I was new, so I'm just getting familiar with it. But it's been nice.
You're enjoying this diversified portfolio?
I am.
How about AI? Are you enjoying that as well?
What?
How about artificial intelligence? Are you enjoying that as well?
So he's doing maths, AI.
Oh,
artificial interpretation.
Okay. Art and interpretation. Okay, great.
Is it that, he's doing it without tuition at this time? So as a parent, I'm very happy for that he's doing it without tuition.
So that helps our case. German, you said you started, right?
Yes, since 5th I'm learning.
So what is the level of German in terms of the DART exam or Goethe exam? What is the level of exam that you've already given?
In this school there's just been a class test, and otherwise a 10th board. That's all, CBSE.
Okay, so probably just get your teacher to tell you that, what is the level that you're learning at the moment. If you're doing
Okay.
a A1 or A2, then that opens up our route to Germany also.
Okay.
Just to I don't know the level, but he's been good. Like he's got a 90% plus in German in marks. If I talk about purely, and Krish, I think our level has always been in the plus category. I mean, in German.
I mean, when I was in Austria, I was able to converse in German with some people.
Great. Basically, the situation is that German has 4 or 5 levels. So it starts with
Okay.
A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. That's how it goes. So
All
if
right.
you know till A2 level, or if you know till B1 level, then what we can do is we can apply to Germany for an exam called the Student Kolleg.
Okay.
Once we clear that exam, we will be able to enter the university. So for
Can
one
I know the name of the exam? Sorry to interrupt. What is the name of the exam?
Student
I'm
Kolleg.
writing the student spelling of the last.
Kolleg is Koll.
Okay.
Okay, Kolleg. So ma'am, situation is that Germany asks for 13 years of education. Now here in India, we offer 12 years of education.
Okay.
So what is supposed to be a route way is that we will have to appear for a 1-year program in Germany, where we will be taught various terminologies involved in the filmmaking courses. Then we will appear for the Student Kolleg exam while in Germany itself. Once we clear that, then my university course will start. So that ways I'll clear the 13th year of education, and I'll also gain an entry into the German universities. Okay. Although there are very few German universities which are very well known for filmmaking, but there are some. Okay. So if you can get into a public university, Krish, that will be great. Okay. The level of education in public universities in Germany is very high, and to your amazement, they do not charge any tuition fee.
Yeah, that and Norway both.
Yeah. So that's a beautiful thing to happen, but then we'll have to appear for the Student Kolleg. Okay. So that is how it works. Rest, the team here will be helping you in terms of building up your entire profile, and would be advising you regarding your portfolio as well. But the portfolio is something that you have to execute. We will be only guiding you or advising you regarding the requirements. Okay. As far as the admissions part is concerned, so the application window opens up for most of the countries in the month of September next year. Okay, except for US, which will open in August, and Germany, which will open after your board exams are over. Okay. So my scope of work is right from now till say August 2023, when you complete your entire set of admission process and you proceed towards the university. So your visa, your accommodation, your university application, your interview preparation, SCHOL applications, and your entire profiling, all of that is my job. Okay. So that is the scope of work, ma'am. And I'll ask my colleague Anjali to send you an email that will have the list of all the things that we cover in this program. So I cover 4, various pillars, I would say. The first is the knowledge aspect. Second is execution of that knowledge. Third is research. And fourth is a unique project. So when I say unique project, so obviously filmmakers, their unique projects will be around films. Okay. And when I say knowledge building, that means trying to understand various softwares, reading about film history, these kind of stuff. So that is how it goes on. So we've divided the program into these 4 divisions, and we've kept certain number of programs there, although we do not tell you that what exactly specifics we will do, because that has to be understood after we've understood the child's personality. So we start with a personality test. We get to understand the child from there, and then we start prescribing particular activities every week. So my entire program runs online. Whatever task we give to the child is online. You don't have to go anywhere, Krish. And you get a mentor interaction every 7 days. After the mentor interaction, you will have a support from one of the counselors who will follow up with you regarding the completion of the task. And then your parents, they would get a report in the month end regarding the activities that you've done, the activities that were given to you, the number of activities completed, plus they will have a PTM with your mentor. So that is how progress will be tracked by all the parties involved here. So the entire communication goes through a WhatsApp group where all of us are parties. So both mom and dad, you, my entire team, all of us will be there, and we communicate through that WhatsApp group itself. So we'll share some snippets of the WhatsApp group, 1 or 2 odd recordings between the mentor and the child, and some offer letters of our students who've got onto some top-notch universities, so that you can understand the tangibility of the work. Once you've gone through that, you can always connect back with Anjali, and then we can take it further from there. Okay, so that is how we work. Ma'am, your questions. Krish, your questions, go ahead, please.
One thing, Krish, I'll just start with one question. Krish, our ma'am, in the school, I talked to her already about Krish when we had taken the admission, and she also had, like the principal herself, she also is helping a lot. She takes a lot of interest in the students. That's what I've seen in this school in particular, which is a very good thing. And she has suggested two, 3 online courses which we are starting from the next week. Krish, can you please tell about that course that you were talking about? That
Michigan University, getting you filmed off the ground, and there were 2, I think 1 or 2 more on Coursera.
Okay. So
what do you suggest? Because you already started, we had made up our mind to start with this,
No worries, ma'am. No worries. Look, I know the principal ma'am herself, so she's quite a reasonable, person, and has quite an amount of knowledge. So whatever she has prescribed, okay, we will definitely do that. But there are more things needed.
Yeah.
One aspect is gathering the knowledge. Second aspect, there are 3 or 4 more aspects, as I told you. So that has to be covered. Okay, so whenever she gives an advice, just let us know that what is she prescribing. Most of the times we will follow if there is scope or alliance for it. Okay, so that's how.
Yeah, because what she told me, that like if Krish has interest in filmmaking, because IB has a course on filmmaking as well, but it's not right now available in India due to lack of faculty.
Yeah.
She said we can do IB board, but since we don't have faculty and we don't have many students coming in, the course is not happening in India as of now. Though they do have a separate course for filmmaking, which I really wanted if you'd have got the opportunity for me.
No worries, ma'am. If we can't get it from the school, there are a lot of other stuff that we can do outside school also.
Yeah, so we can do that. We have to do that. But my concern as a parent would be how much time will it need, because they do have studies.
No worries, ma'am. You will require around about 7 hours every week.
Okay.
7 hours to 8 hours every week. And once he's doing his unique project or his project on filmmaking, that is where he will spend a good amount of time. But that project we will normally like to start during the vacations.
Okay.
Because then he will spend quite an amount of time, because that will be totally on his interest area and he needs to prepare an entire film there. So that will obviously take some time and effort. So that is the only concern. Otherwise, बाकी सारा काम तो manage हो जाएगा 7 to 8 hours, 8 hours. Okay.
Krish, what is your question? Then I'll ask my final question. Please.
Like even after this lockdown and all, it will stay offline, online only, or will we go offline also?
Krish, I started this program in 2011. From the first day itself, my set of programs have always remained online.
Okay.
Because my children, they go to schools, they go to tuitions, they have a lot of engagements in their life. And if I ask them to travel for these kind of programs, it's not really advisable. Not really advisable. So I will always keep it online. And if there is something that you want to do physically, and if that's a challenging program or it adds a little value to your life, then obviously you can discuss that with us. Okay, so I'm not against doing something physically if you have time. Okay, ma'am, any other questions?
What are the structure of the fees and the time that will be given? So if you let me
know,
ma'am,
it's pretty simple. For a 2-year period, I charge 1.7 lakhs inclusive of GST, and it's payable in installments. So that Anjali will share, and normally she handles the commercial part of it. Okay, so she will
Okay.
discuss with you and she'll take it over.
Are we on the right time for this, or
Yes,
are we
ma'am.
late?
No ma'am, you're not late. I mean, the more the time you provide, the better it is. ये खीर की तरह है मैम, तो आप जितना समय देंगे उतना अच्छा बनेगा, बट अभी जितना टाइम है इससे भी बहुत अच्छा बन सकता है.
All right, all right. And like as you've spoken with Krish, what is your what does you say? Because I just he's my child, so I know the passion in him. Rest, as a mentor right now, I can ask you, how do you feel? How can Krish progress? And what is he like talking about it? Because he has not really worked on film. It's just his dream that he's talking about right now.
बहुत छोटी सी बात है. आप सत्यजित रे के बारे में कितना जानती हैं?
मैं तो कुछ नहीं जानती,
है ना?
सचमुच मैं तो नहीं जानती.
ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है. क्यों? क्योंकि सत्यजित रे की सिर्फ एक मूवी या 2 मूवी हिंदी में, बाकी सारी रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस में है. एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री है जो इंग्लिश में कन्वर्टेड है. अगर इस बच्चे ने उस आदमी को तलाश कर लिया, उसके बारे में जानता है, तो आप समझो कि इसका रिसर्च किस लेवल पर है. He picked
Actually,
up the only man in the country who's got an Oscar, the first Oscar he received on his death. Okay. So that means this guy has good amount of knowledge and passion towards filmmaking, and he's truly looking at parallel cinema. वरना आज की डेट में कौन पैरेलल सिनेमा देखता है?
मेरे को तो बहुत अलग लगा. कभी कभार अलग से थोड़ा डर भी लगता है क्योंकि बहुत अलग है, but I think it's good. Like his father also, like we all are different people. I think we have different mindsets.
पता क्या मैम, अभी ये OTT के आने के वजह से ना पैरेलल मूवीज या जो मैसेज वाले मूवीज होते हैं ना, उनका एक अलग जॉनर आ गया है. Right? So that's why I am not that much worried. The presentation obviously matters. So वो सारा aspect है. तो he's on a right track, but he has to be given the right kind of guidance. There are a lot of technological advancements that has to happen, and then he's absolutely good to go.
Right. So that's really nice talking to you.
Absolutely great talking to Krish.
I heard about Pratham a lot. I've been in North Delhi. I've been a student from Hindu college. So Pratham मैंने बहुत बच्चों को जाते देखा है, बट मुझे था कि पता नहीं ऐसे पढ़ाते ही होंगे कुछ. मुझे ज्यादा पता नहीं था प्रथम के बारे में, तो और मैंने सुना बहुत था कि नहीं अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूट है, एंड आई एम श्योर क्यों अच्छा है. आई कैन सी दैट नाउ. So I'm very happy with the conversation that has happened today, because for the first time I got somebody talking about what Krish is is passionate about for the very first time.
सवाल पूछूंगा मैम. ये फीडबैक है, ठीक है? चावला जी के यहाँ पे जब आप गए थे, इस तरह का फीडबैक आया था क्या? नहीं ना?
Actually वही तो नहीं, तो मैं अब तक चली ना गई होती.
यही मैं समझना चाह रहा था.
Actually मेरे को जो अच्छा लगा आपसे बात करके, आपने जो हमारी रिक्वायरमेंट थी उसके हिसाब से हमें सोल्यूशन दिखाया, रास्ता दिखा रहे हो. देखिए, करना तो आप बच्चे नहीं है, हम तो सिर्फ रास्ता दिखा, एज ए पेरेंट भी एज ए टीचर भी हम सिर्फ रास्ता दिखा सकते हैं. तो आपने उसके टॉपिक के बारे में बात करी.
Exactly.
आपने उसको भटकाया नहीं कि यार ये ऑप्शन नहीं तो ये ऑप्शन है, तुम्हें कमर्शियल एंगल है. नहीं, कमर्शियल नहीं होना था मुझे कभी. बस ये प्रॉब्लम, ये फर्क आप में जो मुझे नजर आया वो यही आया कि आपने क्रिश के पर्सपेक्टिव से बात करी और हमें डायरेक्शन दिखाया. अपना डायरेक्शन हम पे डाला नहीं,
वो काउंसलिंग नहीं होता है.
और वो काउंसलिंग नहीं है, क्योंकि वो बच्चा डिस्करेज भी हो रहा था और मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि यार अभी तो इतनी रॉ स्टेज है लाइफ की, अभी 11th क्लास में बच्चा है, तो अभी से क्या मैं उसको रैट रेस में डाल दूं? क्यों, जब मैं खुद रैट रेस का हिस्सा नहीं हूं तो क्यों डालूंगा? और हम क्लियर हैं कि भी एज अ पेरेंट जब हमको उसको प्रेशर नहीं देना है तो फिर हम वो एनवायरनमेंट ही क्यों देंगे?
Absolutely true. Great ma'am, great talking to you. I'll just ask Anjali to send you an email, and soon she will get in touch with you, right?
Krish beta, you have any other questions, please tell, or we can just wind up the meeting.
None for now.
Thank you so much.
Bye Krish. Bye. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
पत्थर पचाली देख के मेरे को बताना.
Yes sir, sure.